What's going on, my people? It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, I have an awesome video for you guys today. I'm going to walk you through my standard detail process on this Porsche Panamera 4S. Alright guys, first thing I do when I arrive to the client's home is to actually greet them, retrieve the key, check out the vehicle, inspect it, of course, look inside, check out the paintwork, check out the wheels, check out the trunk, check out the gas tank area too, guys. Alright, this car definitely needs some love, guys. So what I like to do, of course, is take out all the mats. Here we got some of these cool WeatherTech rubber mats. And then also have the standard mats that the car comes with. So that's double the work, guys, you already know. 2 sets of mats. When you're taking your mats out, guys, you want to make sure you kind of try and fold them up a bit to try and contain the debris that's on them, so they don't so you don't spill all that debris actually back into the car. Let's try your best to do that. Yo, Desmond!
Yes, boss.
Come in, man. Hey guys, I want you to meet Desmond. He's the owner of the vehicle. Let me tell you something about this guy, guys. When I first got started, I just got my IG up and running and everything. And let me tell you something, man. I got a random message, totally random. It was Desmond on the other end inquiring about my services. The man just said, yo, I like how your content looks. It looks like you know what you're doing. There was no beating around the bush. We just booked an appointment and the man said forward. You know what I mean? So big up to Desmond.
Well, boy, all me can say, yeah, the first time I link you up, yeah, do me car, you know. Me not forget. The man take about 3 hours just on the inside. Me there watch him, you know. Me there in the building, me watch him, you know. And I say, all right, big up. When you do the car, everybody talk about it. You know what I mean? So me appreciate it, brother. Me like your meticulous time where you take and you make sure everything proper.
Yeah, man. So you already know.
What Clean Car Chris do.
You hear that? That is it. That is it, my people.
And when you finish now, I gotta come set up a nice fish tank at your house.
Yeah, man. You hear that, viewers? Fish tank.
So you can come and go see aquarium installation and maintenance. My name is Desmond, and let's get you started. I'll send a few pics to give them an idea.
Yeah, viewers, you hear that? We're gonna drop his socials on the screen right here. You already know, guys. Yeah, man, guys. We checked the vehicle, inspected it, took out all the mats and all that. So after that, we'd like to drop down the detail guards and actually get the details started. All right, detail guards are down, so you don't know. Time to crank up the generator. We're gonna hit the door jambs and take care of the mats. I already know I changed my tip now, so I like to go around and spray out the door jambs and the trunk jambs and also the gas tank area. Alright guys, the door jambs are all sprayed out and thing, you don't know. So we're gonna go ahead, move forward and attack the wheels. Yeah man guys, these wheels looking like they really need some love, you know. I'm gonna formulate a game plan here now, guys. You can see, look at it. That's all brake dust grime. I can see even the calipers are really heavily brake dusted. Ah boy. I think what I'm gonna do is hit them with an iron remover. I got that PNS iron buster. I'm gonna rinse it, hit it with the iron remover, rinse it off. Hopefully that will get rid of a lot of the gunk, and then I'm gonna hit it with a green star too and brake buster. agitate, and let's try and get these wheels looking a lot better. Let's do it. Alright guys, check it out. You can see all the purple. That's a lot. I'm sure you'd see that a lot more if the rims weren't, had so much black. But obviously on the silver parts you can see it on the disc pad. Yeah man guys, you don't want this stuff to dwell too long. We're on the shaded side of the vehicle now, which is a plus. When we go to the other side where it's not shaded, we have to be very careful how we use the product. Yeah man, after the wheels, we're gonna go ahead, rinse the body of the vehicle, foam it up, do some brush work, rinse it off again, and then we're gonna foam up again and go in with the contact wash. Alright guys, the vehicle is fully rinsed, so it's now time to dry the vehicle. I like to use a drying aid. Today I'm going to use PNS Absolute, diluted 64:1. Let's get it. It's always a good habit guys to prime up your towel. You know, microfiber absorbs more water when it's a little wet or damp. So with a spray on, just as a nice lubrication, guys. It also leaves a nice finish too, because at the same time, it's going to be, actually the drying aid is polymer based, so it's actually going to be encapsulating any remaining dirt particles that might be there on the paint still, and remove them while we're drying. All right, guys, the exterior of the vehicle is dried, so I'm going to move on towards the interior now. So what I like to do is go in, dry out all the door jambs. While I'm doing so, I have my Vortex air tool. I'll just blow out the vehicle at the same time. Alright guys, since we dried out the door jambs, trunk jambs, and we blew out the vehicle with the tornador, it's time to go in and scrub down the panels a bit, and the seats, and then after that we'll go ahead with the vacuum. Alright, all the panels have been scrubbed down and wiped down a bit, so you don't know I got the rigid out, so it's time to go through with a nice vacuum.
Yeah, Chris, you did it again, brother. You did it again, brother. Again, if you want to get your car done right, you have to see Clean Car Chris.
Yeah, there's one.
Take the, as I said, attention to detail. I got me love with your work, brother. Is the attention to detail.
Appreciate it.
Lord of mercy.
You already know, that is it.
Well, very well. It looked like me ready now for the weekend as well. Big up Clean Car Chris every time.
All right, guys, as you've just seen, another happy customer. You don't know, it's Clean Car Chris coming at you and again with another banger. Like, share, subscribe, log on every Wednesday at 4 p.m. That is it. Out.